The NVIDIA H100 is redefining AI and high-performance computing. But in India, the big question is, should you rent or buy? From AI model training to HPC simulations, the H100 delivers unmatched performance. But the right deployment choice can save or cost your business crores. Here's the reality. The H100 is powerful, but expensive. Buying on-prem means huge upfront investment and complex infrastructure. Cloud rental, on the other hand, offers instant access, but long-term bills can add up. Cloud rental is perfect for short-term or variable workloads, while on-premises purchase benefits enterprises running continuous large-scale AI projects. Startups and researchers gain flexibility with cloud. Enterprises with predictable demand often find on-prem more cost-effective. At Cyfuture AI, we make NVIDIA H100 GPUs accessible, whether you rent on demand or plan long-term. Power your AI journey with smarter GPU choices.